Hello, students. How are you all? Have you completed exercise of this first lesson? Now, here is the last part which is remained. Today, I am going to explain it. Up this question, till this question, do you think that such places have snow all the time and why? I have explained in the last lecture. Now, in this, rocky paths, depending on this picture, based on this picture, few questions are there. We will discuss about that. Do you face difficulties on the way to your school? No, because we are living in the area where even roads are there. This kind of rocky way is not there. That's why answer will be no. I do not face any difficulty on the way to school, on the way to my school. Okay. Which is the best month in which you like to go to school and why? Now, here, as 12 months are there, how many months are there? 12 months are there. Among these 12 months, in which month do you like to go to school? Which month probably you like more? Now, I like to go to school in June month. Why? If you ask me, then I will say I like to go in June month. Why? Because rain start in that month and I like to go in rain by wearing the raincoat. That is my reason. Now you decide. You think over it and write your own answer here. Understood? See me walk. See me walk means how I am walking. Now here, what this lesson is teaching us, what are the different ways that we are going from one place to another place. Now here one activity based questions are there. Go to a ground or an open space with your friends. Act the way you will walk in these situations. And you have to write your own experience. This question I am giving as homework. Now, for example, the ground is made of soft and smooth rose petals. How you will experience while walking on rose petals way? That you have to write. Yes, it is obviously very soft and you are not going to face any difficulty while walking this type of ground, smooth ground. The ground is covered with thorns and there is tall grass on the side. Thorns yani kaante, and there is a tall grass. Obviously you are feeling difficulty and you have to very cautious while walking. Carefully you have to cross this ground. So write this answer. The ground is covered with snow. Now if snow is there, then it is again slippery. You can't walk easily. So I have explained before also and now also I am explaining these answers. You have to write in your own words. Understood? And this is the last part. This also I have explained in the previous lecture. I think before 2 or 3 lectures I had explained all these about punishment. Today also I am posting few pictures of answers. It will helpful for you for the purpose of sentence formation. I know you children know how to write the answer, but sentence formation, the way of writing answer in a correct way. For that purpose, I am sending few answers. Understood? So here our first lesson going to be finished. Revise this lesson carefully. On Saturday, there will be an exam of 20 marks. 10 questions are there. You have to read the question and choose the correct option. Objective based questions are there. So on Saturday there is exam on this first lesson. Understood? On coming Saturday. Now today is Tuesday. So on coming Saturday there will be exam of 20 marks on Teachment app. Okay? Read the lesson twice, and if any doubt is there, then ask me on the group. Thank you.